Hi Sabika family, I'm Alex, head designer and CEO. I wanted to take a few minutes and walk you through some of the highlights of our new summer 2022 collection. There are so many beautiful components within each piece, and I just wanted to highlight a few to you. So we're going to start with our classic, we're so well known for our soldered designs, which are right here, some of the pieces from our summer collection. So this is the plumeria necklace from the summer. Look at how gorgeous that is. So I'm going to flip it around. So when we say hand soldered, you can see in the back here that all of these components have been soldered together into this unique shape. So this just doesn't pop out of a machine. This is all hand soldered. Each individual piece, these crystal cup chains here, as well as the metal, you have this little metal pedal right here. And then the setting for the center. So really beautiful detailed work from our beautiful and amazingly talented artisans in Austria and Germany. We also have a cute lemon in the collection that I think is going to sell out really quickly. We've seen so many different lemon prints, whether it's in interior design or fabrics and clothes, so I think that this will be very popular. So again, I'm going to flip this around so you can see all the solder work on the back here. So each crystal is, and each cup chain here is soldered together into this unique shape, and it really is such a beautiful craft that has been handed down and trained from generation to generation. One more little example of this would be the yin and yang. I love this piece. Look at how beautiful. So all of those gorgeous crystals have been hand soldered here in the settings together into this unique shape that I've designed. All right. I also wanted to show you some fun new layering pieces from this summer collection. So we have our, what we call our tiara necklaces here. This is in the fuchsia, and I love these. They're great to layer in with chokers. For example, here, this would be a beautiful look because of the fuchsia. And I love that when you move these tiara necklaces kind of move with you and it catches the light, so really gorgeous. We also have it here in the indicolite, which is a teal color. Look how beautiful that is. It's like a blue teal color, and that will also work really beautifully with other pieces. So great layering, also gorgeous by themselves. We also have some beautiful medallion elements within our collection. So here we have the glass medallion that is hand pressed, hand cut. I also wanted to point out, so this is actually set in a French setting here, which means that all these prongs have to be closed all the way around this piece. But I love that added texture and kind of vintage vibe to that setting. So that's a bracelet where we have this beautiful iridescent medallion. We also have the same medallion shape, but in a different color. This is our gorgeous statement earrings. This is about the size of a quarter and is so gorgeous. Look at these iridescent colors here in the kind of orange tones, and it's still very comfortable and lightweight. Then we also have the medallion element here in this high voltage is what we call this story piece. Look at how beautiful that is. And do you see that little daisy kind of shape? So this is a shape that you'll find throughout the collection, are these a little bit nostalgic 60s vibe daisy shapes, and that's in the center here of the glass medallion. And also these elements were hand soldered, so I just wanted to point that out. So I really tried to incorporate some of these different design elements into each piece. Then we also have our stud medallions. These are so cute. They are about a, I would say, like Vienna size stud. So comfortable, and I love, it's almost hard to see on this video, but they have so much kind of three-dimensional shape to it. You have a little crystal in the center, so you're going to get a lot of the sparkle and bling with this. Last but not least, we've got this gorgeous little Y necklace. Also, again, the same daisy medallion, but in a different glass color. It also has the AB finish, but it's more of that orange kind of shimmer to it. We also have some really fun bead elements in the summer collection. I fell in love with some of these gorgeous new components for us. So these are actually vintage beads from Germany, and see how they sparkle in the light? Isn't that so cool? They are so lightweight, so these are resin, but they've got a marbled effect to them. So each bead is going to truly be a unique. And we also have the glass beads in between, so you get a little bit of that kind of extra shimmer in there. And like I said, so comfortable, so lightweight, and easy to layer with other pieces. And I kind of loved that elongated shape. And then we also have our glass beads here. I have it in this beautiful pearl or beaded kind of statement earring. So these are glass, again, still lightweight, so comfortable to wear. And I love statement earrings in the summer, especially ones that have this beautiful movement to them. We also, here's another example of a really beautiful bead element in our collection. This is actually an etched bead. It is also resin, so very lightweight, and you get that beautiful, look at that detail. The white, kind of silvery white in between the black. I have them in here, and I think they're just so fun. And again, I completely forgot I had them on because they're so lightweight. One last earring I wanted to show you. Actually, yes, here it is. So fun. I had been playing around with this fish bead. This is handcrafted in Germany. It's glass, still lightweight, so very comfortable. And I had fallen in love with this piece back in, oh my gosh, how many years now, when I visited our vendor in Germany that creates these gorgeous glass pieces. He also creates the medallions. And so finally, here's the little fishy in an earring, and I just thought it was so fun for summer. You could really layer this beautifully with this vibrant bracelet, for example, just to show you really quickly. So cute. How cute is that? So really having a lot of fun in the summer. One more stretch bracelet that also has a gorgeous, unique bead. I loved these, all these bead elements that just have this uniqueness to them. So you can see there's a coating on these beads. There's a very beautiful, intricate shape to each one of them. And again, just so easy to wear and layer in with your other Sabika pieces. All right, what else do I have for you? Oh, I wanted to show you some of our longer necklaces in this summer collection to show you the versatility of them. I just thought it would be so fun to play with kind of these longer length necklaces that you can wear doubled, you can wear in different ways. So I have the lariat right here. This is, I'm gonna undo it so you can see. Also features some really cool beads. So this is on a black chain, and then it has these two elements here at the bottom. I hope you're all not too distracted by my gorgeous ring. This is actually from the Almi collection, which I will talk about in a separate video. Anyway, so these beautiful elements here, these are resin, so very lightweight, again, super comfortable. Now you can wear this just tied, so it doesn't have a closure, so you can really have fun with it. You can just wear it tied like this, or the way that I had it was more of like, I call it a scarf technique. So I just double it up here, take this loop it around my neck, and wear it like that. And you can adjust kind of the length of the beads if you don't want them to be, if you want them to be a little bit off center. But yeah, different ways to wear this one. So I'm also going to show you, and I hope I'm not hitting the microphone too much while I'm doing this. This is another gorgeous long necklace from the summer collection. I just loved designing this piece because I played around with the different proportions. I wanted the mix of pearl, but with this beautiful, these are ceramic beads that we actually had in last fall collection. So if you have those pieces, you'll be able to layer them really nicely with this piece as well. And it has this large clasp that I wanted also as kind of this cool, funky design element. So I wanted to show you how it looks just worn long. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I could see this over any of your linen looks, like white, summer dress. And then I wanted to show you, you can also wear this a few different ways, and I'm sure you'll come up with even more ways. You can double it up. There we go. So you can have the clasp. So how cool this is. So really, so much versatility with this piece, and I loved that kind of chunkier chain. It is an aluminum chain, so again, you're cutting out some of that really heavy weight and allowing you to layer it in different ways. You can also wear it as a Y necklace if you wanted to. So if you wanted to do a long Y, you just clasp it into any of the links and wear it as a Y necklace. Now you could add something at the bottom here like a pendant. So really giving you a lot of different ways to wear this piece. All right, next I wanted to show you just very briefly too, each collection, each season kind of builds on previous season. So I want to show you some mix and match looks really quickly using the pieces that you may have purchased from our spring collection. So this one is a Vienna choker that we had in the spring collection, beautiful colors, and watch how gorgeous this combination is with the medallion from the summer collection. So colors that I chose to use in the summer collection actually are also kind of pulled from the spring collection, so they seamlessly work together. So look how beautiful that combination is. You really have a lot of fun with it. All right, I've got a couple more looks. I always have so many mix and match looks that I want to show you and hopefully inspire you to kind of branch out and try some new things. Here's a fun one, our Vienna choker. So this is from the summer collection, and the pendant is from the spring collection. Again, these two stories just really build nicely off of each other. So you've got the beautiful peridot green with the choker there. So that little pendant to add in. I've got one last one that I wanted to share with you. Got this choker. This is from the summer collection. And we actually had this bracelet, which is the Manhattan size, so a little different size, but similar color story, same metal color. So pretty together. Let me just pop that on real quick. So you can see how those work really well together. Last but not least, this stretch bracelet, which I really was hyping up a lot from the spring collection, this little yellow stretch bracelet. There are endless options for this to work with other pieces from the summer collection. For example, this beautiful collared necklace. And I just pop this over here. And then we have the yellow, looks even more beautiful in real life because you have these metallic sunshine coated stones here. Look how fun this is. So this is this bigger stretch bracelet with the little ladybug here. Look how fun that is. Is from the summer collection, and the stretch bracelet from the spring. I'm just gonna hold this in so you can see. I mean, really endless options, as you know, with Sabika. So lots of fun ways to take the pieces you purchased in spring and let them transition into summer. And I hope that this little video gave you a little insight into the design of the pieces within the summer collection, and that you've fallen in love with some of them. Make sure to reach out to your Sabika consultant to see the full collection, and thanks for watching. Bye.